what did you do again? Is this a new shop? Try that. Okay, IDC.
Aray ko.
Drink the whole eye drop, I guess. She wasting it too much. It's supposed to be a little drop of water, but the eye drop disappeared into my hand. That means he drank it. Little drink
Why
it.
would somebody drink eye drops? Did you see there's a
Somebody would
ghost?
drink eye drops.
Hi.
Sweet remaining patience. Mary room 8 right now.
You do it!
No!
I'm so,
No!
okay, fine.
No, he's gonna die. He's gonna die. He's gonna die.
Dear.
Mary, you do it. Mary, you do it. Mary, you do it. You do it.
Okay, you go to the room 6. You do room 6. I'm the pro at this.
Okay.
I don't need help.
I am a boss.
Okay, Gaps.
What the heck? I herbs bandage.
Inatin mo pa doon, ang tagal mo. Ikaw, lagi ka na lang ganyan. Baka nakakasawa na dahil.
Yo!
Ano ba, nagtatrabaho ka ba o nagkatid sundo ka lang?
And we did.
Ang punta ko dito palang sundo, hakit na naman. Di ba, nung oras ka o, kanina pa, sa bilisan mo. Araw-araw ka na lang ganyan eh, nakakasawa ka na. Pag ganyan naman na hatid sundo kayo, huwag ka na lang pumasok. Parang wala rin silbi kayo eh. Trabaho, ginagawa mo lang ganyan. Hatid sundo, ano yan? Saan ka pa makakagilap ng trabaho na ganyan?
Cough, mouth, yawn. Okay, you do maple. I mean cough. No.
Tao kayo na hindi kayong may ari na kalat-kalat ng kailan mo gusto.
Lucky.
Pinadaan-daan mo lang sa ganyan eh. Lagi-lagi ka na lang ganyan. Hindi ka na nakakausapin ka ng maayos, lalo kang titino.
Stomach ache. Stop. Stomach ache volume.
Gusto mo pa ba magtrabaho yun na? Hindi na, umuwi ka na.
Oh, shit.
Huwag ka na lang pumasok, gawin mo.
Ito sa mete.
Pasok ka, mamaya alis. Oras ko nga ba yun, tingnan mo, alas ko sina. Sagad, ilisan mo nga. Bumalik, abutin nga siya. Ay, nako. Tuwan mo lang po.
Mary, anomaly.
How?
Discuss anomaly. Check the camera. Check the camera.
Ima do
Check the
something.
camera on the lobby.
Ima do something.
Bayaran mo sa nunod mo. Sabi ka kung wala kang balak pumasok ha. Ginagawa mo na lang laro yung trabaho mo.
7!
Baka makagilap ng concept na ganyan trabaho na hatid sundo.